I think the main selling point for Simple One electric scooter is the 236 kilometers of IDC range. But what about the users who pre-book Simple One electric scooter by paying 1947 rupees and they claim that their money got debited but they are unable to pre-book? This is one thing. And the second thing, what is a warranty on this Simple One electric scooter? And the third thing, it's about the two battery pack story. They said one is a fixed battery pack and the second one is a detachable battery pack. So for all these details, let's find out the answers in this video. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So firstly, the selling point of Simple One is the IDC range. They're claiming up to 236 kilometers. But the real range, the company mentioned as 203 kilometers. And this 203 kilometers of range is possible only in the eco mode, where you need to maintain up to 40 to 45 km per hour top speed. But if you ride up to top speed of 90 km per hour, the range will be definitely halved. So we'll get 100 kilometers of range if you ride with the top speed of up to 90 km per hour. And if you go with the complete speed, whatever the 105 km per hour top speed in Simple One electric scooter, definitely there is a range drop in the Simple One electric scooter. Close to around 75 to 80 kilometers you will get in the top speed of this vehicle. And the second thing, it's about the acceleration of the Simple One electric scooter. They claim to have India's fastest scooter, 0 to 40 km per hour top speed in just 2.95 seconds. So definitely it is going to be one more thing that keep ahead on Ola electric scooter. But now coming to the interesting point of Simple One electric scooter, they claim to have a 4.8 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack. But interestingly, they are giving two options, where one battery pack is a fixed one and the other battery pack is a detachable battery pack. So out of these two battery packs, 3.2 kilowatt hour battery pack is a fixed battery pack, whereas the 7 kilograms of weight, the 1.6 kilowatt hour battery pack is a detachable battery pack. So you can either use the fixed battery pack or you can remove the detachable battery pack, or else you keep the both battery packs to get the range of up to 203 kilometers. Now the next thing, it's about the features of this Simple One electric scooter. Surprisingly, they are giving the tire TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system. So it is definitely one good feature to see in the Simple One electric scooter, where Ola is not giving the feature. But Ola having several other options, where Simple One is limited to some particular features, like the geofencing is providing, and also the customizable dashboard option comes with the Simple One electric scooter, and the GPS navigation same as the Ola electric scooter. And features wise, it is okay because the range of this electric scooter is dominating more than the features on this electric scooter. So it's okay up to the Simple One electric scooter in terms of features. And now coming to the charging time. The charging time is less than the Ola electric scooter because they mentioned 2.75 hours, which is 165 minutes for the fixed battery pack, whereas 75 minutes for the detachable battery pack. So if you add both of these, you will get 4 hours of charging time for the 4.8 kilowatt hour battery pack if you charge the vehicle at your home. On the other side, if you use a public charging stations, then you can charge the vehicle up to 2.5 kilometers per minute. So which is a competitor for the Ather 450X electric scooter in terms of the charging ratio time. And the next thing, it's about the motor power. So they have revealed their motor capacity. The rated power is 4.5 kilowatt, whereas the peak power is 8.5 kilowatt. It is really good in terms of the motor peak power, and it is close to the Ola electric scooter. Now the very important thing, people who pre-book Simple One electric scooter, especially the viewers who have watched in the video through our channel, they have commented like they paid the money, whatever the 1947 rupees, but they didn't get any confirmation message, and also their money got debited. So this is one thing they need to respond, right? And the second thing, it's about the delivery date time of the Simple One electric scooter. In the launch event, they haven't mentioned about the delivery date time. Again, this point, Simple Energy has to clarify about the deduction of the money, and the second thing is the delivery date time of the vehicle. So for these two things, when we contacted Simple Energy, what they mentioned is in a couple of days, they're going to upload a video in their YouTube channel mentioning all these details about the price reduction and also the delivery date times. So we need to wait for a couple of days because we are not sure. They mentioned that, they said to us, but we are not sure. We need to wait for 2 to 3 days for their official YouTube channel to upload that video to give clarification to the viewers. The next thing, warranty. Of course, Simple One electric scooter also comes with 3 years of warranty on the battery pack, as this is also comes under the FAME 2 scheme subsidies. So you don't need to worry, 3 years of battery pack warranty on this Simple One electric scooter. And now coming to the deliveries of this electric scooter, they have mentioned like 13 states they are going to launch the vehicle. But what about the other states who pre-booked this electric scooter? This thing also they need to clarify in the coming video, because they mentioned few states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, and some of the main cities they have mentioned in the 13 states. But what about the other states, right? They have given option to pre-book from all over India. All over India, anyone can pre-book the vehicle. But why only 13 states in the launch, right? So definitely they need to clarify this point also in the coming video. So they need to mention this thing as well. And EMI options also, when we asked them, they said they will provide EMI options. That thing also they will mention. So many things to be revealed by Simple One in the coming video. And finally, the pricing of this electric scooter. 2 hours before, when Ola announced the pricing, they think like Ola is the best pricing. But when Simple Energy announced their electric scooter pricing, it is truly unbelievable. They have mentioned as 1.1 lakh rupees for a 203 kilometers of range electric scooter. So definitely it is going to be even more revolutionary than Ola electric scooter in terms of pricing. But that thing, whatever the trust factor they need to believe they need to get from the users, only if they're possible, if they can reveal about the delivery date time. So that thing, most of the viewers are waiting for this announcement from Simple Energy about the delivery date time and the pricing, everything, the EMI options, whatever because it should be there in the public domain, obviously. So then people will be more happy. Whatever the electric scooter they're going for, the value for money. And from our side, the final thing, it's about the battery pricing of this Simple One electric scooter. If you want to buy Simple One electric scooter battery after 3 years, based on the 4.8 kilowatt hour of battery pack, definitely the battery pack will be close to 1 lakh rupees. So the pricing of the electric scooter is 1.1 lakh rupees. After the 3 years of battery pack warranty, if you want to buy a new battery pack, it will be almost close to the scooter pricing. And the affordable pricing is possible only because of the FAME 2 scheme subsidies. But anyway, it's our duty to mention about the pricing of the battery, as most of the viewers are asking for it. And one thing is sure, if Simple Energy can clarify all the doubts about the viewers regarding the money refund and the deductions happen during the pre-bookings and the delivery date times, if they can give the details in the upcoming video, definitely people who pre-book this Simple One electric scooter will be more trustworthy. So that's the complete analysis about Simple One electric scooter. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe Electric Vehicle channel. For the comparison video between Simple One and Ola electric scooter, please watch our video tomorrow. Go green, go electric.